Good morning everyone. I am Chef Rajaram. Today I am going to make Matar Mushroom Curry, which is very popular in India. The ingredients for Matar Mushroom Curry is we need fresh green pea, fresh butter mushroom, chop masala, cooking oil, cumin seed, butter, crushed black peppercorn, salt, cashew nut magaj paste, and fresh cream. First wash the mushroom and then cut into half. I have already washed the mushroom earlier. So cut the mushroom. After cutting the mushroom, we will blanch the mushroom. So first we will light up the gas and boil the water. I will add a pinch of salt in it. When water starts boiling, we will add the mushroom. Water starts boiling. Now I will add the fresh mushroom in it and we will cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will strain the mushroom and we will keep in the cold water. The reason is to put in the cold water to stop the mushroom for discoloring. अगर हम इसको ठंडे पानी में नहीं डालेंगे तो मशरूम का कलर ब्लैक हो जाएगा. In the same water, I will cook the green pea for 2 minutes. We will check the green pea either it is cooked or not. It will take little more time. Now our green pea is fully cooked. So we will strain it. And we will put in a cold water. Now we are going to cook Matar Mushroom Curry. First we light up the gas. When our pan becomes hot, now we will add the cooking oil in a pan. Add some cumin seed. When it starts crackling, add 1 ladle chopped masala. Add hot water in it. And mix the gravy. इसी बीच में मशरूम और मटर को हम स्ट्रेन कर लेंगे. I have strained the mushroom and green pea. The oil comes on the top in the pan. Now we will add some cashew nut paste in it. Cashew nut paste is a thickening agent. When we add the cashew nut paste, its colors becomes change. इसको हम तब तक पकाएंगे जब तक कि ऑयल ऊपर ना आ जाए. कुक द ग्रेवी टिल ऑयल कम्स ऑन द टॉप. बीच बीच में इस ग्रेवी को आप हिलाते रहे. इन बिटवीन वी मस्ट स्टीयर द ग्रेवी टू स्टॉप स्टिकिंग. Look at the oil comes on the top now. We will check the salt. Add some salt, some black peppercorn, and I will add little bit sugar also to balance the taste. Mix it nicely. Now add the mushroom and green pea in it. Add some butter. Mix it. Butter will give the creaminess taste and also enhance the flavor, aroma, taste. Add some cream. Mix it nicely. Finally, our mutton mushroom curry is ready and we are going to present in a bowl. Look at the color of the mutton mushroom curry. We will garnish with the cream. If you have chopped masala for making mutton mushroom curry, it will take 20 minutes.